Behind the camera, I already seasoned turkey with salt, cilantro, thyme, cheese, so as not to make a longer video. For the tempering, we're gonna use ginger garlic paste, onion, thyme, oregano, some salt, and Mexican herbs. Adding some olive oil to the hot pan right after the ginger garlic paste. After 20 seconds, we're going to add onion and let it saute for 2 minutes. Then we will add all the seasonings. Then mix it well and let it simmer for 3-4 minutes. After that, we're going to add turkey. And I'm gonna simmer it for 3-4 minutes on slow heat. Once it's done, we're gonna add fresh cilantro. Then we're gonna turn off the heat and set it aside to let it cool down. While that's happening, let's prepare CUBANELLE peppers. So we got CUBANELLE peppers ready and cooked turkey, and we're gonna use boiled brown rice, cilantro, and mint leaves. Mix it all together and stuff to the CUBANELLE peppers. Everything is all set. You see the beautiful plate. It's ready to bake. The oven is already preheated on 320 Fahrenheit. We're gonna let it bake on lower heat. It will take around 20 minutes.